Okay. I hope this works. I don't know.
I'm a girl boss. I'm a war criminal. I'm a lunatic.
I am recording an audio right now.
I'm an extraordinary. I'm going to die.
Okay, I'm trying to record this audio for Robbie. Okay. Okay, I'm going to explain how to do this. So we are going to look at hey, I'm trying to
I almost died.
I'm recording a video. Okay, 5. We're gonna do number 5. So I write the letter nitrogen. I look at my periodic table and see what group it's in. That question you had to answer in class. So I look at it and I know it's 5. So I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. You have to go in like that order or an order similar to that. Then I'm gonna have to write the name of it. So here's the thing about writing names. If it's the one that is most electromagnetic, usually goes last. But just so happens for 5, she said the correct way to do it would be H3N, but the world does it the other way. But just know for most of them. So the one who's more electromagnetic, and I sent that electromagnetic chart that you have to use for that, but so it's just NH3, and you write the 3 here because I have 3 of like the sets of 1 dot, so that means that it can bond with other dots, or well, they're electrons, they're valence electrons, and then you write out the orbital hybridization. So it's always, this is S, and then these are P's. So I'm gonna go like, I have 5, so like, I can count simply. I'm gonna go like that, I think. Yes, I am gonna go like that. But I need to spread it out. No, I don't, never mind. This is how you do it. That is how you do it. And then because I'm filling 3 orbitals, because there's 3 of these and I'm filling all 3 of them with lines, I'm gonna write 3. Then this is the more difficult part, is shape. So I have to write my N in the center, and it's like what we did last year in biology. So there's these 2, I just draw these here because these are already bonded, but now I need to draw the other bonds. So I need to go like, and you can't just do like that, that's not gonna work, because they need to be enough, like they need to be on an angle, they can't be on a 90-degree angle, they have to be, I think she said 109, maybe less than that. But I don't know, it doesn't matter. You just have to draw them on an angle. Wait, okay. So you draw lines like this. Then you're going to write the H's connected, right? Then this is where you have to draw the arrows. So you have to look at your electronegativity chart that I had, that I sent on the group chat, and you have to find the electronegativity of N. So the electronegativity of N, I didn't write it, but there'll be a number there, you'll see it, and then there'll be of hydrogen, which I think hydrogen is 2.1. So if the electronegativity of hydrogen is higher, that means it's more negative. So it's like more, okay, the point is, if it's higher, you draw the arrow towards it. So because N is higher than H, I'm going to draw my arrows towards it. This is your finished shape diagram. Then you have to figure out if it's polar or non-polar, and you do that by, here, look, okay? So you start at one of the arrows, and you have to draw the arrows. So, like that. So this was 1, 2, 3, I did 1, 2, 3. You have to like draw them how they are. So I drew that at that angle, I drew that at that angle, and I drew that at that angle. So in order for it to be polar, so these are all polar. These are polar bonds, which is anything that's like different. But in order for the whole, but then you have to figure out what the whole molecule is. And if a molecule is only polar if the lines don't go where they started. So like, for example, these where all the lines match up like this, that makes it nonpolar. Because it has to go to the starting point. So this was the starting point, and this clearly is not at the starting point of that. So that makes this a non-polar molecule. And so, yeah, that's basically what it's like for all of them. You draw the amount of hydrogens there are based on what's open, and yeah, that's good. Yeah, I can explain myself doing the homework too, if you need that.